यार हाँ आप कुछ कर रहे हो और इट्स जस्ट बाजी।
भाई तो
दुखी हो रहा हो तगड़ा।
कराया कैसे तू?
वो ठीक है, उसका भी डेरा है।
We just need some suggestions from you. We have heard a lot about you.
देखो भैया,
ये देखिए, so ये वाला टैटू 2 जन कराएंगे हम लोग सोचा। ये वाला टैटू ये कराएगा पैर में। This tattoo he and she will be getting. Om Namah Shivaya he will be getting.
This font you want, right?
Yes. और से बना थोड़ा
ये वाला लगा देंगे।
तो नीचे कर सकते थोड़ा।
तो आज ये क्या होने वाला है वर्कशॉप पे? कुछ अलग हो रहा है आज।
तू साथ में टैटू करवा रहा है।
तो ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया?
तीनों को टैटू कराना था, डिजाइन भी सेम चाहिए था तीनों को, तो साथ में करा लेता।
नाइस।
And plus this is something we are all passionate about, all three of us. So it was like
ये देखिए,
signing an agreement, you know, साथ में।
ये नो फाइनल भाभी कान के पास करा रही है। क्या
I'm serious.
मजाक नहीं, सही में क्या ज्यादा हो रहा है भाई? शादी क्यों है?
Come on.
Missing create कर देंगे और ये वाला थोड़ा लंबा बढ़ा कर देंगे।
ओम
यार बट या वॉक में डाल देंगे ये भैया।
ये वाला ले ले।
Seriously?
भूल जाते हैं लोग बनना। अभी म्यूजिक बंद करवाए।
So you're getting 3 or 2 tattoos?
3.
3. Nice.
ये मेरा देवर का इन्फ्लुएंस मेरे पे अच्छा नहीं है।
सोचा नहीं कहाँ बनाना है टैटू, अभी डिसाइड कर रहे कहाँ बनाना है।
यहाँ पे रहो।
अबे क्या हमें कराना चुपचाप बना के पूछे। क्यों?
चलने बोलते हैं।
मेरे को मेरा एक ऐसा है ना कि लाइक एक रैंडम गोवा ट्रिप पे हम लोग कुछ दोस्त लोग हैं और वहाँ पे सब मिल के एकदम पागल भंड है और फिर डिसाइड कर लिया भाई टैटू करा, सब एक सेम करा है, सब सेम।
That's my cover story.
रवि,
मैं ये स्टोरी को समझाने का मन नहीं करता ना ब्रो, तो मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि मैं गोवा में गया था, बंद हो गया, टैटू बनवाया था, ये मेरे को उसको नहीं पता क्या। सर नो वन क्वेश्चंस मी भाई।
Nice.
अच्छा नहीं लगेगा।
So भैया, how many years you have been working as a tattoo artist?
As a tattoo artist, I started in 2012, so it's almost like 12 years now. 12, like this December it will be 13 years.
Okay, that's great.
क्या फट्टू है भाई तुम? कराने यहाँ पे हम।
अरे ये या ये बताओ।
ये हाँ।
So भैया, I wanted to ask you one question.
Yeah, tell me.
What is the weirdest tattoo you have ever done?
Weirdest tattoo, I think I say no to weirdest tattoos.
Okay, the weirdest place of a body.
I don't think there's any weirdest place like people get
नहीं
over
नहीं,
here.
गोल्ड में।
Okay.
ये सही। क्या किए weirdest?
It's a private part of the
अरे
रिक्वेस्ट आता है साहब
कोई कॉल कर दे ऐसे मस्ती करते हैं या तो
तेरे साथ क्या हुआ?
एक दिन तो कॉल किया, बोला मेरी वाइफ को बनाना है टैटू पे।
अजीब है तो।
ठीक है
उल्टा इसलिए
क्या हो?
जहाँ मैंने वहाँ करा, यहाँ मैंने यहाँ करा।
वैसे ही उल्टा पुल्टा बात कर।
नीचे
तो वे थॉट ऑफ दिस कितना पहले एक साथ हसलर का टैटू बनवाएंगे भाई,
अच्छा, बहुत पहले से
बहुत पहले से भाई.
फाइनली
So
आज
we were like, हाँ, finally, bhai. And the main thing is that, this tattoo is so personal to us because we have the IP for this. This cannot be some other person's body, bro.
डैम
Because इसका मैं trademark लिया हुआ है, bhai. And this was completely, the concept of Hustler was apart from Sota because it directly targeted the, artist. It was like,
Artist,
जो
yeah.
बंदा actually में कुछ creative करता है यार, उसके लिए पूरा Hustler वाला concept है. So, bro, I would love to sponsor tattoos also. Anyone is up for getting a Hustler tattoo? क्या बोलते हैं रवि? What's it? Agreed.
नाइस। ऐसा फ्यूचर में हम लोग जब अपना स्टोर खोल रहे होंगे तो अपने स्टोर पे हम लोग इनवाइट कर सकते हैं कि फ्री टैटू फॉर ऑल
tattoos on the
on the
house
house,
for each
yeah.
store launch. But independent store launches.
Bro, but this is
Independent store launches.
independent. But bro, this is I'm highly inspired by Jay.
Yeah.
He was the person who got this thing into the clothing industry. So, bro, shout out to Jay Walking.
Can't believe I'm doing this.
फार्म एरियाज के है ना, यहाँ पे ज्यादा स्मूथिंग का है.
अरे भाई.
बैठना भाई था। जब लाइक आप लोग जब पिच कर रहे थे राणा बद्दागुबत्ती और निखिल कमत के सामने हैदराबाद लॉन्च में, तो वो टाइम का फीलिंग क्या था? वीडियो तो मैंने पूरा देखा है।
Oh my god, it was, I don't know, it was surreal. I mean, for the next 24 hours, I couldn't imagine that was something that had already happened. It wasn't a delay.
Bro, plus when you take the brand to that level where people connect with you without actually knowing you, that's that gives you a kind of a confidence that you need. Because then it's like a validation कि यार जो आप कर रहे हो, that makes sense, just not to yourself but to the world around you. And we had a bid war, and apart from the investment itself, getting an opportunity to present something in front of people who have accomplished too much in their life, it's a big deal, bro. I never thought that I could ever do that, but Sora took me there, bro, and it's amazing.
There's another moment, that's right up there. Getting that investment, that the entire thing was a dream. But another thing always hits us the most. Whenever we visit the Broadway store, we always spot somebody or the other there wearing Sona. So that is a moment, that just sparks a twinkle in both our eyes. Fuck, we just spotted somebody wearing Sona. Actually spending their money and buying shit from us.
So this time, one of the investors, he was wearing Sota and he was like, "Oh, I'm wearing your t-shirt and I want to invest in your company." And that was a very, proud moment, because money aside, when you see someone actually wearing your stuff, it actually gives you the boost कि यार हाँ आप कुछ कर रहे हो, or else it's just fugazi.
The funny thing was that they were before the pitch event, there were people fighting over who's going to invest in us. So that was sort of his pitch. By wearing Sona, it was his pitch that we should accept their investment. So that was such a huge fucking compliment. Yeah, it was crazy.
Because it's going to be very big for sure. Already it's it's at the tip of the iceberg, but deep down there's a lot of work going on and it's
Done with it.
going to be crazy, bro. First one done.
First one down.
टैटू
That's for my baby.
नाउ द ऊंची टैटू।
So thank you for the experience. This is one of my goals.
Ravi does tattoo outside.
He called me up and I'm getting 3 tattoos done. I'm like, are you serious, bro? 3 tattoos? I have not even thought about it, but I'll just go to him and I'll get 3 tattoos done.
Ravi,
Really
trust you, bro.
excited.
See,
Really excited to meet you.
Otherwise, it's a very risky task to go to, a tattoo artist you don't know personally. But Ravi was very sure that, you won't regret.
He's
So it was basically a mindset where creative people would actually collaborate, without the incentive of money. Like passion drives them, that kind of a experience. But for that, you need to have a very strong brand. Then you'll be able to host such events, bring so many people together. It's all about getting the people together. But definitely that's the thing, yeah. And tattoo, like, it's by one of my favorite things in the world. He said, how does it relate to you, bro? This too.
What motivated you to be a tattoo artist?
But I used to drive in class. I was in class 12 that day. One of my friends suggested me that it's good money and like you can do good in this. After school only I tried. I spoiled a lot of tattoos like 4-5 because I did not knew how to do it right. So I learned from YouTube later on.
Oh wow, lovely.
This is YouTube, bro. This is YouTube, I'm telling you.
After 4-5 tattoos I knew how to start machine and all. I used to not put a rubber band on the machine. That spoiled the tattoos. Yeah, after that I did good of it. In 2 months only I opened my shop.
Oh, lovely. So, you're also a hustler.
Modern art. It's just a phase. So no relation, like this is actually the second event that we are doing. The first event was the Hustler Club, in which we got together 29, entrepreneurs and creators then at this very space. So from different fields, and we were like just celebrate our struggles together. Not talking about how you're doing business or anything else. Just celebrating the struggle. That all of us are fucking mad people just following the passion. Money cannot be a driver.
We are good.
बहुत सही बनाया है।
Rambo भाई
फाइन वर्क किए वो,
really good.
बहुत फाइन काम किए।
ये भी बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, बहुत सुंदर।
ओए, अब पता नहीं भाई, हाथ में दिया तो खुजाने का मन कर रहा है।
फिर से बोल। क्या इस महीने
5 टैटू हो जा रहा है मेरे हैंड पे।
पांचों ही किया ना?
अरे 14 का 14, 13 का 13 टैटू यही की।
पहला टैटू यही किया था?
हाँ।
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
अरे मुझे पूछ रहे हैं, मैंने बता दिया।
प्रोपर। हाँ, बस यही लास्ट टैटू होगा उसे
यहाँ पे यहाँ चीज है, बट इससे छोटा टैटू निकाल सकता था यहाँ पे कर सकता।
हाँ, ये
कैसे भाई तो
दुखी हो जाओ तगड़ा।
कराया कैसे तू भाई? बंद है पे खाइस में भैया
रात भर जागनी है मेरे को।
और बोल, लड़की लोग का काम में टाइम लगता है।
हो गया भाई, देख।
इसके साथ ये नहीं जाएगा, और उसमें फिर टाइप आप नीचे नहीं पाएंगे, अभी छोटा है बड़े चुप के बड़ा
ये रेड कलर में ही और कूल लग रहा है।
हाँ भाई आज तो बताने को समझ लो I never thought it would be possible. Done. अब पकड़ मेरे को पकड़ लो ट्रायंगल हो जाएगा अच्छा
ऐसे कर दीजिए वो ठीक है उसका भी डेरा है कोई दिक्कत नहीं
ठीक है
हो गया
सो हाउ इज द फीलिंग
amazing भाई too good bro
This is really good.
क्या बीप करना पड़ेगा
रवि का सारा डायलॉग बीप करना पड़ेगा एक डायलॉग नहीं मारना है
Thanks,
नाम
sir.
गाने के
सर so that's a wrap
It's a wrap, baby.
see you soon